Good morning, dear students. Today in English lecture, we are going to discuss format of formal letter. Formal letters are letters written to editor, mayor, police, officer and so on. These letters are used for official purpose only. To begin the official letter of formal writing, we have to start from our sender address, from our own address, where we have to mention our house number, sector, city. Then we have to go for date. You have to mention the date. After that, you have to go for the receiver address. After writing receiver address, leave one line. Then you have go for the solution. In that solution, you have to write sir or madam. But if you are not sure that the person is male or a female, then you have to go only for sir. Then you have to write the subject. What is the subject? That suppose you are facing a problem of pollution in your area. So your subject could be facing problem of pollution. After completing the main part, then we have to go for the body part of the letter. In body part, you have to write at least 3 to 5 paragraphs. In that, you have to write, introduce yourself and the problem briefly. Main content, what are the causes and effects of the problem. Then at last, you have to go for the concluding point, that suggestions for solving the problem. Then, thanking you. Last, you have to go for yours faithfully or truly. In formal letters, we go only for faithfully and truly. At last, you have to go for your signature and write the name if name is mentioned in the letter. Otherwise, go for the alphabetic order A, B, C or X, Y, Z. Here is one simple question that you are Varsha or Varun. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper complaining about the irregular and inadequate bus service in your area. Here they have mentioned your name also. Here they have given you one complaining that the irregular and inadequate bus service in your area, this is your problem. You have to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper. From the question, you are able to understand that the letter writing pattern is a formal letter. So they begin with your own address, your house number, sector, your place. Suppose your place is at Chandigarh. Then leave a line. They have written the date. Then leave a line. They have written the editor of your area only, Chandigarh area, Indian Express, Chandigarh. Then leave a line, sir, and then they have mentioned the subject. The subject is irregular and inadequate bus services. After writing the main content, they have came on the body part. In body part, firstly, we have learned that we have to introduce ourselves and we have to write our problem. Here they have introduced themselves. Here they have written that I am a Varsha Varun, resident of sector 45, Chandigarh. Through the column of your esteemed daily, I wish to draw attention of your transport authority towards the hardships that the residents of sector 45 have been experiencing on account of the inadequate bus service. From the first para, we are able to learn that from where you belong and what is your problem. In second, they have discussed their problem briefly, that every morning large number of people take bus but main bus stop area reach. There are number of workplaces. Besides, there are large number of students who travel on buses reach their respective schools and colleges, but existing service is far from meeting the requirements of the public. And then again they have written, most of the buses that touch this spot are packed with passengers from other areas by the time they reach sector 45 bus stop. So they can accommodate very few passengers at this stop. In first three paras, they have discussed their problem briefly, and in last two, they have written that the situation is worse at this peak hours when most of the buses don't even stop here, and as a result, people reach late as their designated places. The authorities are requested to introduce new bus service to start from this area, as it would be huge help for the public. I hope you will publish my letter in your esteemed newspaper and bring this serious problem to the authority attention. They have mentioned thanking you, your faithfully, your signature and your name is mentioned here. Thanks a lot. I hope you all have understood the format letter of formal writing.